Okay, welcome back. This is Lab 5.3, the second question. And here we're taking the same transactions and recording them from both the seller and the purchaser's perspective. So this question is called merchandise perspectives. So the first transaction happens October the 9th. And both companies use perpetual inventory, so every entry goes directly to their inventory. And so when we make sale, we record the cost of goods sold. When we make a purchase, we put it into merchandise inventory. So Callahoo is selling merchandise to Opong Corporation. Opong here is on the left, Callahoo is on the right. So the sale is recorded on Callahoo's journal entry, or general journal, and the purchase is recorded in Opong's corporation. So Callahoo Inc.'s merchandise was sold to Opong for $3,100 under credit terms of 2% 10 net 90 FOB shipping point. So as soon as it left Callahoo, it became Opong's merchandise. The cost of the merchandise was $26.35. So Opong records merchandise inventory for what they paid for it, which is $3,100. And of course, they set up an accounts payable to Callahoo for the $3,100, and that's transaction A. On the other hand, the merchandise of Callahoo goes down. Let me go down here. Goes down by the cost of the merchandise. Whoops, that's not what I want. I need one more line here. So here we have the four-part entry where we record the sales and the cost of goods sold as separate lines. So the sales, we have an accounts receivable from Opong Corporation, and sales revenue. Oops, recorded salaries expense. I want sales. There we go. Okay, the amount of the sale was $3,100. The cost of the inventory was $26.35. So here we have cost of goods sold and merchandise inventory, which I tried before unsuccessfully to bring over here. So the same transaction from the two different perspectives is recorded there. Then October the 17th, Opong paid them the balance due, and it's within the 10-day discount period. So that means that they're going to pay a reduced price. The accounts payable goes down by the entire amount. I guess we could just drag that, couldn't we? Accounts payable goes down by the full $3,100, but the cash we pay is a little less than that. We get the discount, so we only pay 98% of the $3,100. Of course, there's a difference. And that difference is due to the purchase discount, which under the perpetual system we record as a reduction in the cost of the merchandise inventory. Now over on Callahoo's books, we're now playing the role of the Callahoo accountant. The accounts receivable goes down. Whoops, accounts receivable goes down. And cash goes up. Cash goes up by the 3038 we calculated over here. And the accounts receivable goes down by the full 3,100. Once again, we have a difference between the two. And that difference is 62. Whoops. That's not cool. Something's going awry here. Let's cancel that. We need to put the difference in here under sales discounts, because it's a discounted amount of payment, and it's going to be a credit to balance for 62, and that's transaction B, and we forgot to put transaction B over here, and that's all I can think to do. So let's see what Eric's thought of that. Eric's agreed. We're done.